Hi there, and welcome to session two. So you're working through this as a self-paced module, so I wanted to kind of give you some information on how to get started. So one of the things that you're going to notice is that in the module itself, I've provided a lot of resources. Some of them are more for your research, and some of them are for actually working through the module today. You'll notice first that the Module 2 videos and screencasts, whether they be me speaking over the slides or the resources that I've pulled for you to observe or to view, are all located in this folder called Module 2 Videos and Screencasts. You also have a chapter that you read or that you're going to start the day with called Practicing the Art of Leadership. It gives you a nice overview of the themes of each of the 10 PEACL standards. So it's meant to help you focus or narrow down the research that you're going to be doing for your journal submissions, for your literature review, and ultimately for your 90-day entry plan. You'll notice that there is the research, some food for thought, if you will, some preliminary research that we're providing to you for each of the standards. So in the cases of standards 1, 2, and 3, we've got a couple of good research pieces for you to consider when you're working through your literature review. You're also being provided with the literature review rubric and a sample literature review that we're going to go through later on in the presentation here. It's actually provided by Dr. Barb Marinac. We're going to observe and evaluate and analyze her work, a literature review that she did in a national publication, so that you can see the structure of a literature review actually happening before your very eyes. And then obviously the follow-up from each of the sessions, at least the first couple, has been these PEACL article submissions. So you'll be entering your articles and the 3 to 5 sentence summaries there. And then today you've been assigned the literature review. You'll notice that the final literature review is due on March the 14th. We talked in the first session about doing a Zoom check-in late in February. So you'll get more information on that when we meet for session 3. And then also you'll be submitting your research checklist or your citations as a separate assignment. So everything you're going to need for the literature review is located there. So again, today you're going to be working through PEACL standards 1, 2, and 3 pretty briefly, looking at some work, hearing some voices from the field, and then you're going to get an overview of the literature review itself with plenty of time to get rolling with your research and writing.